Yo, what's going on, you guys? Your boy Devon Terrell in raw form, and welcome to another Help Me Devon raw tutorial in the studio. And today, in this Help Me Devon in the studio tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a microphone shootout between Neat Microphones King B mic and the Neumann TLM 103 microphone, which is a microphone that a lot of us are familiar with or have seen somewhere down the line. The Neat microphone is a little bit more new to the market. Without further ado, let's take a listen to what these mics sound like side by side. Okay, so this is a mic shootout between the King B and the Neumann TLM 103. I'll make sure I continuously keep talking so that you guys can keep going back and forth as far as hearing what they sound like. Now, I put them both at an equal distance apart from how far away I am from them, as well as I'm making sure that I don't talk left too much or talk right too much because I don't want to give any other mic more favor. So I'm talking directly to you like a cyborg to kind of see if you can cipher through which one you like better or the characteristics of both microphones. Now, to me, the TLM 103 is my microphone that I always use. It has a little bit more of an open sound in my opinion, and what I've probably noticed with the King B is that it has a little bit more of a slight bump in the mid-range area. Now, I'm talking straight towards you, right? Like I told you before, because I don't want to favor either one of the mics when it comes to this. Now let's do a little bit of a sibilance test. Please do not take that video and make it a meme or a GIF with me just doing t. Now let's do a little bit of a plosive thing. So big please, be bosh, bosh, be bash, bish, bush, 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 bish, 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 bush, 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 bush. Bush, bash, bish, 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 bosh, bosh, bash, bush, 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 bush. Now, if I said something in a different language and I offended you, I apologize. I was just speaking rubbish, and that is the shootout, and I'm done looking like a fool. Okay, so I tried to make this shootout as unbiased as possible in a sense of they're both in the same preamp style. One is in input 1, one is in input 2 of the same audio interface. They have basically the same credentials and volumes and mic gains and everything coming in to the actual preamp and things of that nature. Now, what I noticed in the Neumann TLM 103 mic was that it had more of an open sound. It had a brighter top end. Pretty much what you can expect from a Neumann microphone if you're looking for that type of thing. Of course, the Neumann microphone has a bump in the higher end as well when you look at its microphone response for frequencies. Now, when I turned on or listened to the King B microphone, I noticed that it has a bump in that presence. I can tell that there's more presence in the mid-range, has a little bit more of a bottom end to it. Now, is there a winner and a loser in this? Absolutely not. I think both microphones have characteristics that are pretty incredible, to be honest with you. When you look at the King B and you see what the price point is, it's insane compared to the Neumann. Granted, I believe the reason is because years ago, creating a microphone to the standard of what the Neat microphone is would cost you around $1,500 to create that type of microphone with the capsule and things of that nature. But being that technology has improved so much over the years, this technology has gotten cheaper to create. So that's why you can get this type of quality out of something that is cheap. So don't be scared of the price. Funny thing about the Neat microphone is that it is created, the company itself is created by one of the founders of Blue Microphones after he sold the company. So you're getting a piece of technology that is well experienced. It's not like you're getting a bunch of people that are new to it or anything like that. So it's actually pretty incredible to get a quality build microphone and things of that nature from a company that is reputable. It's pretty incredible. So that was my microphone shootout between the Neat King B and the Neumann TLM 103. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, just make sure you email me at helpmedevon@gmail.com. If you want King B to send me some stuff and actually test out some more microphones and other equipment, please let me know in the description or go to their Instagram and let them know that we've done a tutorial on their stuff. I'm actually really going to be looking into this company more off the strength of what they bring to the table and what they've had in the past. So let me know if you guys need anything else. Please comment, like, subscribe, follow us at Help Me Devon on the Instagram, and until next time, you guys.